Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Helper's Core tutorial. And for this tutorial, this is about what the title is explaining, ghost files, or in my case, ghost folders. And this is specifically, from what I can tell, is a Windows 10 problem because I never experienced this before. So what I did is, for this method, you would need to install something like WinRAR or 7-zip. And all you gotta do is just right click on the file that can't be deleted, hover over either WinRAR or 7-zip to open up the options, add to archive, and then in here you should see the option either in WinRAR or in 7-zip. This should be a common option for these compression software, is to delete files after compression. Tick that, press OK, and then you should have the file or folder as a 7-zip or as a RAR file, and the folder or file that which was just sitting there should be deleted, and it's now some compressed file that you can just regularly delete. And the solution was that simple. Well, I'm hoping that someone out there that experienced the same problem as me, maybe it helped you. But yes, thank you for watching, and yeah, I hope you guys have a good day.